as awareness campaign, right? Traffic campaign, engagement campaign, lead generation campaign. Four different types of campaigns are done. Okay, so let's explore. Let's look into the other set of campaigns that are available and try launching them as well. Yeah, click on plus create, and now you have app promotion and sales. So app promotion, we'll look into it later. See, sales is very much similar to leads or any other type of campaign, just that you have to make sure that the conversion tracking is set on your account. Okay, we will discuss that in a different class when we discuss Google Tag Manager. There is something called as Google Tag Manager. Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager yet to be discussed. Okay, so now let me pick sales and see what options are available and how do we launch, or what kind of details are needed for such kinds of campaigns. Yeah. Okay, Advantage plus shopping campaign. You see this? This is like Google Merchant Center campaign or Google Shopping campaign. Yeah. So click continue. Okay, so unfortunately, this particular account doesn't have the products which we can launch. We cannot launch. We don't have products, and hence we cannot.
This was sales.
Huh?
Sales.
No, no, no. Sales only, but then this is taking shopping campaign. See, now this is a shopping campaign. Something like this. Ads will be like this on Facebook. But we don't have such products on this project Learn and Thrive, correct? So let's try picking a different account. Let's take a different account and try that particular campaign. Uh,
So this all are same email ID. You created page with the same email ID.
so we got access from different email IDs also. See, client will be owning their account, their project, everything. So they will provide access to us. Okay. So let me turn off all the campaigns which we have launched in the past. Okay, sales. Yeah. So we'll look into the sales feature. See, some of the options or features are disabled on this account because it's showing unsettled amount, something like that. I'm not sure what team has done on that. We'll just go ahead and look into the shopping campaign and how do we launch it. Yeah. Campaign name, advantage plus shopping campaigns. It's okay. Drive sales, and conversions on your website or app. Just website for now. Performance goal, maximum number of conversions, cost per goal. You don't have to set everything. Just daily budget. I'll keep it as 100. 800 is fine. Okay, whatsoever. Okay, click on next. Browse add-ons. People will see your website when they tap on your ad. You can add an additional contact method in browser to help people connect with you. Okay, one of these things can be added. Okay, so manually upload images or videos, or catalog automatically use media from your catalog. We will show each person the catalog items that they have most likely to engage with. Okay, we'll put the catalog, automatically take catalog from website, sorry, the from the Facebook, whatever you have updated. Yeah, so something like this. It looks something like this. So carousel ads, now multiple will keep scrolling. Yeah, something like this. You see right side, multiple images, they keep scrolling, they keep scrolling. Okay, so here one by one. So add name, so any name of your choice, anything that you want to refer it to or remember. Okay, catalog is not a supportive creative source for partnership ad. Manually upload images or videos for partnership ad. Okay, so anyways, we are not using this. Run ads with creators, brands, and other businesses. These ads will feature both identities in the header. Okay, so this is, so Facebook has its set of partner portals or platforms. So now when you turn this on, your ads will be shown on their portals as well. Like how Google will show your ads on IRCTC, because IRCTC has registered with Google for AdSense. Same way people will register with social media platforms as well in their ad network. Okay. So now you're
case for IRCTC compared to Google, they registered on Google. Google can display
any ad auction. See,
any
IRCTC just says to Google, boss, I want you to show ads on my platform or portal so that I make some money. Okay. So Google now.
in that any IRCTC any special condition to Google only
See, if IRCTC is popular and everyone are willing to show ads on IRCTC, people will compete. If people are competing, they will increase their CPCs. I want to show ad on IRCTC. You also want to show ad on the IRCTC. Now everybody will compete and price goes up, and obviously the revenue made by IRCTC will be very high. Google is not doing anything here. It's just that people are willing to show ads on IRCTC. Okay.
Oh, if you directly connect IRCTC only, it's so much cost, right now, sir?
Yes.
Google,
You don't have to contact anybody. That's what Google is doing. Google is a middleman or an agent here. You don't have to get in touch with IRCTC or any YouTuber also. If you want to show your ad on one of the YouTube channel, you can show ads on those YouTube channels. You want to show ad on a YouTube video, you can show ad on that specific YouTube video. We have discussed this. We have seen that you can pick explicitly that particular video or the YouTube channel or website.
okay, sir. Any formula to, for example, my ad, I like to visible in IRCTC website
Hmm.
from Google.
Okay.
In that Google, there is any condition, is there any option is there?
Google gives you an option to pick explicitly IRCTC.
Okay, maybe the cost will be high.
I'm not sure if you were part of that class or not. Google gives you an option to pick. You can pick IRCTC, or if there is a website called Gautam.com, you can pick Gautam.com only. But Google doesn't show all the websites on there. Google shows only which are registered with Google AdSense.
Hmm.
Okay. Same way, we'll look into this later. Partnership ads. Okay, ad setup, manually upload images or videos like this, or you already have catalog. We have seen this in the previous classes as well. Okay, the catalog, and it just picks the images from there. Carousel signal collection. See, creating catalog is very simple. You just have to connect your website with social media platforms. If you are on a WooCommerce or a WordPress website, it automatically syncs all the products to Facebook. We'll look into that as well once again on the WordPress platform. Did we all discuss Merchant Center, Google Merchant Center? No? We'll discuss it not. Okay. So you can pick all the product set. From the product set you can pick all the products. Okay.
Alright, before itself, we need to post in our timeline or
Not timeline, there is a separate section. You see here commerce catalog. Over there you would have see catalog. Okay.
so before we need to
Items, all
upload
the
this.
products. So here you will upload add items. Data feed, manually add products one by one here. Data feed can be an Excel sheet or I think we have linked here. Let's look into the data feed. So you can put all the data. See, download this template. Uh, and you just have to bring in all the data in that format and upload from your computer. Yeah. So title, title. Okay. So let's take one product. Any product anybody wants us to speak about specific product. Copper water bottle is my product. Okay. Description. Yeah. The 100% pure copper water bottle available at 50% off. Condition new, price 5 USD. Link of your product image link. Okay. So now here I'll come back. Use a URL or Google Sheets. If it is on Google Sheets, we can just copy paste Google Sheets. So that's why I was asking you, did we discuss Google Merchant Center? If we had discussed Google Merchant Center, this we don't have to discuss at all. Okay, anyways, I'll show it to you. Cancel. Okay. So fill in a form to manually add items to your catalog. Data feed, now we are preparing partner platform. Use a partner platform such as Shopify or BigCommerce to automatically add items from your website. So this is not only Shopify or BigCommerce but also WooCommerce, WordPress website. So it allows you to upload products. Okay, so when I click next, it asks you to connect it with your website. Look at this WooCommerce, you will for sure see WooCommerce. Yes. Okay.
This WooCommerce should be connected with the website.
Yes. Automatically, all your products will move to here. First, across Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and WhatsApp. See the beauty. All the products will be promoted across Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and WhatsApp as well. Okay. So now I'm not going to download this. You can download this plugin. Okay. Free to install. Yeah. Add to store. You can download this, which has been already downloaded here. Okay. So Facebook. Yeah, Facebook. You see here Facebook product sets. So it's already connected with the Facebook account, and so data automatically passes to
Be purchased and implemented, or in the after you edited in the HTML things.
theme purchased and implemented. So theme have purchased. See now, you don't have to purchase any theme, and you can edit any WordPress website that you. I mean, like it depends on the options provided with the theme as well, functionalities. Okay. So now this theme has lot of functionalities, and hence we have purchased it.
That
Okay.
is called WordPress development.
Yes. WordPress website development includes simple works of installing plugins and doing minor changes to developing the custom modules. You see here, these all are coming in from one of the plugins, or you can develop all of these modules. If you could develop all of these modules, you will be called as WordPress developer. See, WordPress developer is not really a easier job, right?
No.
But people designate themselves as WordPress developer, and from their perspective, WordPress developer is just doing all these activities whatever we have done in our classes. No, WordPress developer should be capable of writing a code, PHP. He should be able to build the functionalities. He should know JavaScript, he should know CSS, and he should know HTML as well, like any other developer. Just that the architecture or framework is here, WordPress, that's all. Using the existing already built one is building on top of it. Now, if you have to build it, you are every time installing plugins. You all know, right, how we install plugins for different functionalities. Now, if there are no plugins available at all, for every activities to perform, you are using plugin. Now, for example, Facebook only, there is no plugin, such plugin at all. Now, what should you be doing? You have to write a code yourself.
No need to pay.
So now this plugin is not available. Let's assume this Facebook plugin is not available. You have to write a code now for all these functionalities. What you get from this plugin? Okay. So now here, if you configure, get started. Previously we had linked it, and now again we have eliminated something. Okay. So previously when we had implemented, it all has rendered data, and that's the old data what you see on Facebook now. Okay. So anyways, this one we understood. Go back. You can connect it with any platform. Manually you can add one by one how you are doing it on Excel sheet. Same thing here, you will do one by one. When you click on next, it gives you, as you previously used a data feed to add items, we recommend using adding now items the same way. This will make it simpler to manage your catalog. Shopping catalog products 1.5k items are already there. Add items manually. I'm still clicking on add items manually just to help you understand how it looks. See, look at this title, description, whatever you have seen on the Excel sheet, same fields. Yeah, you can delete it, you can add new items. So I'll just cancel it. Now we have a better method. You can bring in as many products as you can By looking at this, we'll just understand what all details have to be brought. Link the product page. Every product has its URL or link, correct? If you're speaking about copper bottle, you will have copper bottle separate page. If it is women's wear, if it is men's wear, if it is shoes, if it's a slipper, correct? Link, and you will have a different image link as well, something like this. See, t-shirt image link will be like this, and product link will be something like this. Okay, and brand, your company name or your brand that you have given. Google product category. Google gives you product category which we already have. If you have done merchant center, you can follow one of those categories. Foods, just food category. FB product category. FB product category is different. Clothing and accessories clothing. Apparel and accessories clothing. Clothing and accessories clothing. Different name, that's all. Quantity to sell on Facebook. How many quantities do you have? 100 pieces, 10 pieces, 20 pieces. Sale price, sale price effective date. You are telling that you are going to sell this at $10. From when you want to sell it? From $10. Starting from 9th May or starting from 10th May. Item group ID. There's nothing. This is optional again. Gender, color. So gender unisex, so that the product will be shown to both the genders. Or just basic information, since it's apparel. Color, size, age group, adult. Bottle is adult. Maybe if you're showing book, kids or something else. Material, pattern, shipping. So all, see, there are so many optional and required. You can fill in only required details. See, optional, there will be many more. Look at this: optional, style, optional, video tag, optional. So if you're putting a video URL, what is that video about? You can put a video URL, okay, and tag related to shipping weight. What is the weight of the product? Shipping and shipping weight. Shipping maybe yes, no, something like that. I believe patterns, type, material. So all these are optional fields. So you can update this sheet as many rows as you want and upload it to Facebook, and it's all done. Okay, 1.5k sets. So you can group the products, that is called as sets. Items are nothing but products. If you are uploading 1.5k products, 1500 products, it shows 1500 sets. You can create sets like pickles, masala powders, right? Or maybe sweets, snacks. Those are called as sets. Okay,
Combo.
not combo. Grouping the products is sets. Okay, here where do we have the sets? Create sets. Manually select, create filter. So we can group the products. We can group the products. Uh, we don't have any sets here. So I can group the products by searching some of the names. Like let's say pickles. There's only one. Yeah. See, all the save I can select. Okay, and I can group them. So I have to click on create sets, then I have to manually select items. So now I can pick all the products that I want. Okay, so I'll create a set. I'll give a name for all these products. I'll give a name as high demand products. or I'll give a name as sweets, or I'll give a name as South Indian products, anything of my choice, and just click on create. That's all done. Maybe save products. I'll search, I'll unselect this, and I'll select only save. Yeah, save, para save. So like this, 14 items are there. Pepper save, masala save, create. Okay. So save products. Sets are created. Okay. Issues. Yeah, we were here, right? So now that way you can pick the sets as well here. All products. Now if I reload this page, below this all products, you will get to see the saves as well. Okay, see now save products, and now it shows only save products here. Right, I have picked only saves products at save products, and it will show probably only saves. See, look at this. It's showing only saves. Is that clear, everybody? Tell people what your ad is about. Save delicious save you put any text of your choice. Delicious, just delicious save can be there. Okay. So you can give the link to your website. Send people to your website URL, languages, events. That's all. So you just have to publish it. It's all done. So publish, it might not happen because there is some issue with this account. Total amount due 5,662. I'm not aware at all when did we spend so much. Your payment was declined and your ads have been passed. To start running ads again, please pay the amount due. Okay. So did you all understand? So I came to this account because this account has the products, e-commerce products. Yeah. Next. Some of the options and features are also disabled. To restart this, I may have to pay that amount, and I don't know where this went.
Usually product not available regarding this.
Sorry.
No, sir. Option disabled now.
No, payment pending.
Okay.
Coming back. So app, we don't have any kind of app, but then we'll look into it quickly. So what and how it looks like. See, once you get started with all of this, they all will be like playing video games. They all will be so simple, so interesting. Okay. So maybe just observing, you might not find it that interesting, or I'm not sure if you are observing or not. Okay. So I'll turn this off. Still it's loading. We'll see if there are any other objectives. One is app promotion is there. Yeah, app promotion is the only one campaign left, objective type left, but then we don't have app. Let's just look at the features or options available here. Okay, okay, manual
App means Android app. I don't know. Or app.
any app.
Any app. We should have apps right now.
Yes. So you will be sending them to the app link. It's like any other promotion.
Install.
So Google Play Store or App Store, iPhone App Store. So one of those places. It's something like how your products were already connected or linked. Same way your app will be already connected or linked, or you have to manually copy paste your app's link. That's what you will see. That's what we'll see. Yeah. Mobile App Store, Google Play, App Store, App Store for iPad, Windows Store, Facebook Canvas, Amazon App Store, Gates, MetaQuest App Store. Were you all aware of all this?
No.
Okay. Google Play, App Store for iPad, Windows Store, Facebook Canvas, Amazon App Store, James MetaQuest App Store. Okay, just let's pick Google App. App name. Enter the app name or exact store URL. So when you enter the app name, you can pick if this is your app, you can pick and you can start promoting it. If you have the URL of the app, you can pick, you can start promoting it. So basically the app can be promoted by anybody now, correct? Not sure, we'll see. If it says okay, so this is a URL. If you are unable to find your app above, refine your search by selecting a country in which your app is available. Not connected to your ad account. You see this? Not connected to your ad account, not connected to your ad account. We may have to connect it to our ad accounts. So that's the issue, and you cannot run app install. Events are not being sent for your selected mobile app. Okay, all errors are resolved.
Down option, sir. Maximum number of app installs or any other option.
Maximize number of app events. We will try to show your ads to the people most likely to take a specific action in your app, or at least one. Maximize number of app installations. We will try to show your ads to people most likely to install your app. So installing app is the main objective. That could be your main objective, or you want people to perform actions on your app they might have already installed or yet to install, but the main goal is to perform an action on the app. Okay, so maximize number of app installations, we'll go with that. Audience. Okay, we will not touch any of these things, we all have understood. Your daily budget of 16,000 looks higher than usual. If it's correct, you can ignore this warning. Verifying your edits. Okay, though we are not connected with this app, it did not show any kind of Google App Store. Okay, go learn. Create a campaign to help you reach people using iOS 14.5 later versions. And iOS 14.14 plus campaign will not deliver to devices using iOS 13 or earlier. So the lower version. So now this is Google Play. If you have used App Store or any other related to Apple, you can turn this feature on. Just click on next. Add a destination to your ads. Enter the deferred deep link URL. A deferred deep link is a URL that sends people to your app in the respective app store. Once people install your app, the link will take them to specific screens such as a product page, So on apps, every screen, like how websites will have URLs, app screens will also have URLs that's called as deep link, but that's not visible to you. Okay. Uh, to use a deferred deep link, you need to first connect the Facebook SDK. You can use any of these link types. Okay. So these are a bit technical. So to use a deferred deep link, you need to first connect the Facebook SDK. You can use any of these link types: Android app link, custom URL schema, Facebook app link. We'll see custom or alternatively custom product page, instant experience, send people to a fast loading mobile. See now these are apps send people to your app. That is fine. In case if you want them to be sent to a specific page on the app, you can do that. Okay. Add destination to your ads. You can now choose to send people to your app an instant experience or a playable source. Send people to play an interactive demo of your app. Send people to a fast loading mobile optimized experience. I'll just close this. Okay. So for app, let's see, we may have to enter this or not. We'll see. Done. This is the app campaign. We did not see the ad sets also pertaining to this, right? We'll see. Okay, okay. Because of deep linking URL, your ad on deliver to 20 placements. We haven't put any details needed also. Yeah, all the details have to be filled. Like how we do it for any other campaign. We did not update this. We just scroll to the bottom. I assume that I have filled it, but we did not. Okay, maybe what we do is like any other ad, you have to add image that represents your application or any image. We haven't selected the page here. So there is an application ID, app ID somewhere. We have missed out on the app ID as well. So we don't have the videos also to upload. So we'll go with that. So we don't have the deep links also for the app. This is another issue. I have to speak to the developers in case for every app, every screen there will be a deep link.
Deep means something?
So it's a URL. Like on website, you will have inside men page, women's page.
Yes, yes.
So now here the terminology is deep link. Okay. Here they are not called as URLs. They'll call it as deep links. Okay. So I don't think we'll be able to launch this without any of these details. And app ID is also missing.
No problem.
Yeah. So these three campaigns which we had launched in the recent times, I'm going to delete them. Okay. So in our other previous classes, we had explored all of these options, right? Audiences too, I think we have already explored that we can create audiences. Like most of the times while launching the campaign, we created the audiences, correct? We created the audiences like previously visited people or upload email IDs, phone numbers. That's the audience which you can create it here and keep it readily. So when you are launching the campaigns, you can just pick the audiences from here. These audiences, whatever you create, see now this is what we have launched. Example, value-based audience file CSV, we uploaded the file in launching one of the campaign. Everyone engaged with your Facebook page, this was created yesterday, I guess, right? So this was created earlier. We have explored all of these options already, but then in some of the sections like ad reporting, there was no data. Now we'll see if there is any data available here. Yeah. So now you will see data. So there is a data. So now 1.16 people have seen, reach is 178 people have seen, and these people, some of them might have seen it twice or thrice. That's how it is coming to 1.16 frequency. Amount spent 171. So you can format this rows, whatever you want to see here. You can do that. Okay. So customize. You can have the campaign name. So campaign name came in here, which was not there earlier. Ad set name, the comes in here. See now I'll keep removing this. They will go away. Let campaign name be. So I want to see the age of those people who have interacted with the ads. So of this 178 reach, 94 are between the age group 25 to 34, 63 35 to 44, 18 to 24 only 16, 55 to 64 3, 45 to 54 only 2. Gender, male also have seen it. I have kept it as only woman. I don't know how it's working. Account name is not necessary for me. Region. Maharashtra, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Maharashtra 62, Telangana 39, Karnataka 43. Okay. I don't want region now. Now I'm interested in device or placement. Where was your ad shown? So if you are keen to know where was your ad shown, so look at this, the breakdown. Feed 140, Instagram Reels 21 times, Instagram Stories 8, feed videos, video feeds 7 times, Facebook Stories 2 times, InStream Video 2, Explore 3. The ad which you have launched is seen at these places. Device, device platform and mobile app. Mostly shown on Instagram. Okay, so you all have to explore all of these features or options to understand more on this. So if you have multiple creatives in the same ad set, okay, okay. So add creative will be under the ad set. If you have multiple creatives, it shows which creative is doing good, which photo or image that you have uploaded will be performing well. Conversion device, on which device the ad converted? No, we don't have. Why there is no breakdown? So at what time of the day your ads have got more impressions or reach? You can see that. So which is the biggest number here of all? 18, between 10 to 11. Okay. So now what kind of actions are people taking on these ads? You can get to see that as well. Okay. One second everyone. Okay. So yeah. So you all understood right how to read the data as well. Billings and payments, we have seen it already. We have explored all of this already. Yeah. I'm not sure how many of you remember. You can add your card, the payment methods, multiple payment methods, UPI. I'll show you the payment methods. Do you all remember I showed you the payment methods? No. So these are already added payment method. So if you want to add any new payment method, you can click on and we can do all of these things: debit or credit card, UPI, net banking.
This prepaid method. This prepaid method.
Yes, yes, prepaid, net banking, and you can add credit card as well.
Postpaid method also.
No postpaid.
No. Even if we give the credit card, we can use on one time. Whenever we will add the amount, that only.
Start deducting automatically. See, if you are linking it with your card, with credit card, no, no, it gives you an option to auto debit. So if that feature is on, it starts consuming without you manually adding the amount. Okay. See, though the card is linked here, it's not going to consume money as it wants. We will manually credit, let's say, 2000 rupees or 5000 rupees. Once it is done, the ads will stop. So sometimes that will be a quite hectic task to go and add money every time. So people just turn on the auto debit and it keeps debiting from the card. We have seen ad accounts, all the same things: ad account settings, billing and payment, audiences, experiments. Okay. Rules for recommendations and now automatic adjustments. Manage automatic adjustments that you have already set up or create new ones in your account. Create role name all active ad sets. Apply role to. So if you want to take control, if you want to do certain things, so let's say you are running Facebook ads for the last 1 year for a client. There are so many campaigns. For all the campaigns, you want to apply changes at one go. Okay. So you can do that here from this option or feature. Create rule. So turn off ad sets, turn on ad sets, send notifications only, increase daily budget. So you can control it as per these options. Increase daily budget and accordingly you will see increase the daily budget. This is the highest amount the daily budget can reach for each ad set you see. You may see you can control every ad that you have created from this section. Are you all getting it, guys? Everybody?
Yes.
So you have 100 campaigns launched. For all the 100 campaigns, you can change the budget or you can put a cap on the budget or anything that you decide. Okay, you can increase the budget by, let's say already budget is 1000 rupees per campaign. You can increase it by 20 percentage. Now how much it will become? 1200, 1200 rupees. Okay, there's so many options which you all have to explore and learn. They're all easy, don't worry, they're all very easy. Okay, so if we have to go through each of these things one by one, Facebook alone takes 2 to 3 months. Okay, uh, but it's all quite easy. Okay, you don't have to worry. So we have understood how to launch the campaigns, how to read the data, how to create the audiences, how to add the payment methods. These are the four important things, and everything else is something to be explored, and you can put in use or you don't have to use. Okay, they are just like add-ons, additional things to automate certain things, to simplify certain things, which you will explore once you get started with all of this. Yeah, so any questions? So we have seen the Facebook catalogs as well. So here is the commerce manager. So this is how you come to commerce manager. So if you are running ads for e-commerce businesses, that's when you come to this commerce manager and you explore all the options and you use all the options that which we have explored some time back, like adding the products, all these things. Okay, add account which is already added. So we already have here catalogs created. Okay, so this way you will set up your shopping campaign. Okay,
Without create Facebook account, directly can you open the page for business? No.
okay. So if you have multiple domains or products from multiple domains, okay. So if you want to change the domain that the website which you have linked, checkout method, customers can browse your shop on Facebook and Instagram. When they check out, they'll be directed to your website from an items detail page, and that's when you provide the website. Okay. So I'll do one thing. So if we are doing this for any other new e-commerce website, I'll walk you from all the steps from scratch. But we have seen all the steps now. Just that select the countries where you want to sell everywhere. You can every time. I don't want to mess it up any kind of mess here because it's already created. Okay. So now this is a different feature from you showing products on Facebook and Instagram ads to showing a shop on Facebook itself. Shop page. Set up a shop in free and only takes a few minutes. Meta will charge a processing fee for sales that you make on shops. It's something like you see. We'll do one thing.
For this shop, no, not required any website, sir. Website, sir.
No, you
Correct,
didn't.
sir.
No, no, no. But then they'll send you to the website.
Okay.
For making the payments, they'll send it to your website.
Sir, actually,
We'll see. We'll show it to you. Wait.
Okay.
Try shop management tools and place test orders to preview customer experience. Let's go with this create a test shop
Sir,
to understand how it works.
sir, I like to selling some idli and dosa powder, homemade. I like to sell only in Instagram or Facebook.
You can sell.
You
You can sell.
with-
You can sell.
I know. I
Yeah, yeah.
don't-
Without that also you can sell. That's what we are trying to look
I
into
don't
it.
want to
So
sell
we'll do
some-
this thing tomorrow. Okay. So I think it's getting late for some of you, or maybe for everyone. We'll do this tomorrow. Yeah. Fine.
Sir, actually, in website e-commerce website also we can build in drag and drop method, sir.
Yes.
In that we need to develop any backend are not required.
E-commerce website. You don't have to develop any backend. So now, see when you
add to cart, this kind of things.
nothing. See, if you are building it on WooCommerce, all these features by default will come with the WooCommerce application. WooCommerce is all about having all these features from start to end
Oh,
needed for an e-commerce store. Everything that needs for an e-commerce store, starting from uploading a product to dispatching a product.
okay.
You will have everything at one place. All kinds of features needed for the business.
In this itself we can track and we can
Yes.
put the option. The owner and customer both side.
Why for customer will not have the
Suppose example customer want to track the order.
yes. They'll have the profile. Yeah. So anybody has questions? Are you all getting an idea, right? How to use all these features or options?
Hmm.
How to launch different kinds of ads? Like awareness, traffic, lead generation, engagement, app installations or promotions. Yeah. So if no one has any questions, we'll wind it up for today.
Okay, sure. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you everyone. Bye.
Okay, bye. Thank you.